Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Sorry. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I hope you're having a beautiful Sunday, wherever you are. That you're having a happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there